Today, we're diving into Apple's iCloud Keychain. Is it really the password manager you should trust? With so many options out there, let's see if it lives up to the hype or if you should keep looking for something better. iCloud Keychain is Apple's built-in password management solution designed to securely store your passwords and autofill them across your Apple devices. The integration into the Apple ecosystem is seamless, making it easy for users to access their credentials on iPhones, iPads, and Macs. You can save not just passwords, but also credit card information and Wi-Fi passwords, which is a nice touch for convenience. What stands out is the way it syncs across devices using end-to-end encryption, ensuring your sensitive information remains private. However, while the user interface is clean and straightforward, some advanced features found in dedicated password managers are missing. For example, there's no option for sharing passwords securely with others, which could be a deal breaker for some. Also, if you're not fully committed to the Apple ecosystem, you might find the experience lacking as it doesn't work as well on non-Apple devices. Overall, it feels tailored for those who are deeply embedded in Apple's world. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, iCloud Keychain is incredibly user-friendly, especially for Apple users. It's free and integrates perfectly with Safari, so you don't have to think about it much. The security features are robust, with strong encryption protecting your data. On the flip side, it does have its limitations. If you need features like password sharing or advanced security audits, you might want to look elsewhere. There's also a lack of cross-platform support. If you use Windows or Android, you're out of luck. Another concern is that some users have reported syncing issues, which can be frustrating when you need access to a password on the go. So, while it's great for casual users, power users may find it lacking. In conclusion, if you're an Apple user looking for a straightforward and secure way to manage your passwords, iCloud Keychain is worth considering. However, if you need more advanced features or use multiple platforms, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels reliable but may not meet everyone's needs.